We all love to have new gear, as it makes our everyday life easier. Today, we are going to look at gadgets that are genuinely changing how we handle our day. So get ready to swap out the old and bring in the bold. Here are the latest EDC finds for your pockets. Also, to make your life easier, we have provided a timestamp and a link to all the products in the description. So are you ready to discover some cool finds? Ever look at your multi-tool and realize half of it is junk? Then this is a multifunction 17-in-1 tool, meaning it packs 17 different functions into this slick EDC design. The device is made from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium. This makes it tough, corrosion-resistant, and easy to carry anywhere. The coolest part is the ratchet screwdriver system. Its one-button dial makes it easy to switch between lighting and loosening a screw without having to take the tool off the fastener, which is a huge time saver. Apart from that, it also has other features that include permanent marker slot and ruler, a built-in bubble level for quick checks, a V-shaped nail puller, and other functionalities. Number 2 on our list is the TiScope Compact Titanium Zoom Light. It is an EDC flashlight that is a classic, strong yet lightweight tool that we all look for in an EDC gear. But the main feature that you get to see here is the zoom lighting. You can switch between a wide floodlight to a sharper spotlight. A wide floodlight is ideal when you are looking for something or working on a car engine, whereas the sharp spotlight is ideal for long-distance visibility. Apart from being versatile, it is designed to be compact and pocket-friendly. Here you get a quick-release carry mechanism, which makes it easier to attach and detach it from a key, backpack strap, or zipper pull. Having powerful light, a titanium body, and a magnetic base make this gadget a reliable option for outdoor adventure. If you are someone who is always in search of a coffee fix anywhere, then this machine can be your best adventure buddy. The device hit a genuine 20 bar of pressure, which is needed for a true, rich espresso. The main highlight of this device is that it is completely wireless and easy to carry. This makes it another cool travel accessory for frequent travelers. The device is compact and foldable, meaning it can tuck away easily. With a single charge, you can enjoy up to 16 hot cups if you use cold water. But if you already have preheated water, then the number goes up to 100, which means even if you are a group traveler, this device will not let you down. If you are thinking of this knife as some other ordinary folding knife, then let me tell you, this is an absolute tank built for a lifetime. This EDC knife combines some top materials. Here, the handle is a mix of lightweight, durable titanium and carbon fiber, which contributes to its incredible strength. But the real star here is its blade. It is made from M390 steel. It is a premium steel that is known for its edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its sharp razor edge can last longer even after heavy use. The thing that makes this folding knife stand apart is its triple opening system. Here you get a thumb stud, a smooth flipper action, and a secure button lock. This gives you the option to choose your style of opening and lightning-fast deployment with either hand. Apart from that, it also has 4 small slots that are ready for tritium tubes, so you can easily locate your knife in pitch-dark conditions. This APEXEL digital monocular is for the person who wants to see and feel the world up close, but doesn't want to carry a full set of binoculars. It is a high-definition digital scope that turns observation into a modern, shareable experience. And here you don't have to be physically present to adjust it. It offers Wi-Fi connectivity up to 10 meters. This allows you to set the monocular on a tripod and then view capture and record what you're seeing directly on your phone. Having this remote operation is fantastic, as it eliminates all the motion blur from handling the device. You get silent shooting and zero disturbance while wildlife viewing or surveillance. Here, you have total control over all the functionality directly through the mobile app. No doubt, it can be a good travel buddy for people who like watching birds, checking far-off landmarks, or wanting to document something on the trail. If you carry keys, you know how annoying it is to carry that traditional, bulky, jingling setup. But the OmniClip offers a completely new approach to the keychain design. Being made from GR5 titanium, it is super strong, rust-proof, and feather-light. And its unique, simple, and elegant clip design makes it a minimalist key organizer. Because of its special shape, it locks onto your belt loop, the strap of your backpack, or even attaches to your laptop bag. Plus, its secure hold prevents any accidental drop or loss. Its minimalist design makes it a perfect tool for people who appreciate quick access and hate digging through pockets, or dealing with a loose keychain. Having this EDC quick-release keychain tool will make you feel like your organizer's dream will come true. It features 2 independent quick-release ends, which are built onto a single compact body. This is a real problem solver, as it allows you to manage two different sets of items. Let's say you have a car key and a house key. So here you can dedicate one slot for the car and another for the house key. And if someone needs your car key, then you can simply press and release just the car fob side. This will give you peace of mind as you don't have to hand over your entire keyring. It has a simple one-handed operation system. A simple, quick slide, press, and its magnetic snap lock ensure precision and security. And its tritium glow slots on both ends make it easy to locate in the dark. It gives you a whole new way of organizing your multiple keys. If you are a content creator who travels a lot, then low battery and storage full are the common problems you might have faced. This power disk is an incredible two-in-one device that offers a high-speed portable SSD with a built-in power bank. Talking about its storage, here you get storage options from 1 terabyte all the way up to 4 terabytes. With it, you can record 4K ProRes video at 120 frames per second straight from your phone or camera. And about the battery, here you get a 5000 mAh battery capacity. This is a huge problem solver, especially for the mobile creator. This is a 65W solid-state power bank with a retractable cable, and it comes with a 20,000 mAh battery capacity, which is more than enough to charge most phones, tablets, and laptops. This new tech offers greater safety and better stability as compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. The main convenience factor is the built-in magnetic retractable cable. You can simply pull out a cable to extend its length to your needs, and when you are done, it snaps back into its position. Apart from that, it even shows you a real-time power status, voltage, and remaining capacity. This is a folding mechanical keyboard with a smart touchscreen that you can carry with you anywhere you go. It solves the major problem of working on the go. It comes with an 84-key mechanical keyboard and a massive 12.8-inch smart touchscreen. Plus, its 180-degree foldable design can fold flat. This makes it have a dual-screen setup for people who travel a lot. The screen delivers an HD definition resolution and 10-point capacitive touch, which allows a seamless secondary monitor on the go. Also, to top it off, it has over 100 RGB lighting modes and offers up to 65 watts of power delivery to charge your laptop while you use it. It truly transforms the way we look at a dual workspace setup. And finally, we have the world's first integrated touchpad and fidget toy. It is a unique solution to all your common problems. This tiny monster combines the functionality of a touchpad and a fidget toy. With AirMouse, a full touchpad, you can use it as a presentation remote or swipe, tap, scroll, and use gestures to control a laptop, tablet, or smart TV. It gives full control in your hands. Talking about the fidget toy part, it has a satisfying optional metal dial spinner, which allows your hand to do something constructive to do while your brain is focused on the screen. With that, we finished a total of 10 useful EDC products. If you enjoyed this look at the newest trending gear, then tap that like button, share this video with your friends who need an EDC upgrade, and finally subscribe so you never miss our next video.